Do you or your child ever feel overwhelmed by everyday noise? Or find loud places physically exhausting? Struggling to follow conversations, like your brain can't filter out the chaos? You're exhausted, but the world is too loud to let you rest. Even quiet noise feels too much. And sometimes the world feels too loud to handle. So they shut it out and end up shutting themselves out too. This isn't just being sensitive. It's a real difference in how your brain processes sound. And it's not something you have to just live with. There's a way to make life easier and happier. Change doesn't have to take months. Intelisten training can reduce sound overload, help you understand speech better, and bring real calm into everyday life. Less noise, more freedom. Less frustration, more confidence. Less discomfort, more joy. Less fear, more to enjoy. Fill out the free online survey at intelisten.com.